ramdam mo yung family, you know, the sense of family here in Beauty Derm.
Mas lumalim na ba yung closeness?
Oh, after 5 years, oh. Nakatuwa nga kasi it always grows, it keeps on growing, and you see how the family is growing as well. So nakakatawa because you're growing with the company, talaga napalapit na si Miss Rhea. She's always present, she's always there to give us support, especially sa mga iba-iba naming mga racket din. So nakakatawa because it goes beyond work.
What's the best thing about Beauty Derm products?
Marami kang mapagpipilian.
Yeah.
Ang dami siyang essentials na masasabi mo talaga na pag may kailangan ka sa Beauty Derm ko lang pupunta. So ako, trusted brand ko talaga siya because yung mga kinakailangan ko, buong baano ko, puro Beauty Derm. Lahat ng ginagamit ko Beauty Derm.
Ano yung favorite mo?
Siyempre the mouthwash, the Atterclair.
Yes.
Yan yung hindi nawawala sa bag natin lagi. Makes you feel confident and at the same time comfortable pag may mga interviews or pag lumalabas ka. So nakakatawa because very useful, talagang magagamit mo.
How do you stay lifestyle choices?
Bukod sa puting buhok, I sleep a lot. I value my health because yun ang tuhunan din natin sa trabaho. You always have to look presentable in anything that you do. So I always want to be in tip-top shape, especially pag may mga roles na kailangan ng requirement ng medyo physical, diba? And whatever the role is asking for, kailangan ready ka. So it comes with the job, it comes with the territory para at least laging okay ka, laging ready.
Ano yung thoughts mo sa aging?
For me, as a guy, you have to embrace it. I mean, at my age, mahirap man tanggapin yung inevitable. Nagkasalamin na rin ako, tapos nagtitina. So wala talaga tayong magagawa. It's inevitable for me. I'm embracing it in such a way that I don't celebrate my lines. I don't celebrate yung aging, but I just embrace it because I know it talks about your life, your journey in life. And when I look at myself in the mirror, nakikita ko yung history ko. And I don't want to alter that. Masaya na ako sa kung paano man ako mag-evolve, how I'm aging, hopefully gracefully.
Your reaction, Papa P, na pinupuri ng mga tao yung performance mo sa pamilya sa
Siyempre, nakakatuwa yun because pinaghirapan natin yun and it was a team effort. And one thing I can say about ABS is talagang once they come up with a story, they really go all out. With Dreamscape, I've been a baby of Dreamscape ever since I started until now. So anytime that they need me, anytime there's a new concept, sabi ko, even if I wanted to retire from doing series before, mahirap pumindi. Lalo na pag magaganda yung mga nakukuha mong roles, especially for Pamilya Sagrado when it was first pitched to me. And today you said that I was gonna become a president. Muna tumawa pa ako. Sabi ko, I'm too young for that, pero naitawid, and now I'm watching it every day. So nakakatuwa siyang panoorin.
Last na sa akin, bumalik na kasi mga empleyado ng ABS sa office.
It only goes to show that we're doing better. So at least makikita mo na ulit yung spirit of community, lalo na pag nasa opisina ka, at yun naman yung kailangan natin. And yeah, that's good news for me. That's good news for us and sa mga employees kasi kailangan talaga natin yung ma-boost yung moral ng bawat isa. So being in an office, gives you that sense of being in a community na kailangan magtrabaho, kailangan tayong makadeliver. So maganda yung nangyayari ng sa ABS.
How do you stay grounded? Kita mo na bata, matanda, kinikilig sa'yo. Anong tumatakbo sa isip mo pag ganyan?
Trabaho lang. I mean, you don't bring it home. It's a privilege at the same time because as an artista, as a celebrity, I guess, kasama yun, maganda yung may pumapansin sa'yo kaysa naman wala, di ba? Ako mamaya mawalan ako ng trabaho pag pumapansin sa akin. So, it's a great feeling and nakaka-humble kasi syempre, sa tagal natin sa industriya, meron pa rin tayong papasaya kahit napapaano.
Pero anong reaction mo laging sinasabi ni Ma'am Rhea? Isa ka sa pinakamabait at pinakamasipag na endorser ng Beauty Derm.
Kaya hindi siya magsasawang kunin ka lang, papirmahin ka lang.
Parang siya lang, napakasipag. And we always want to evolve, we always want to do something that will make us even bigger and in turn help a lot of people have better lives by providing jobs. And of course, yung mga products nga niya, she keeps on inventing new stuff. She keeps on coming up with new things na talagang tama-tama sa mga consumers natin. So I'm just really happy and grateful to be part of Beauty Derm.
Papa P, may nag-video ka na ng Beauty Derm products sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Siyempre, yung lagi kong gamit eh.
Sino
Saka,
nabigyan mo?
hindi sa set lang eh. So, namimigay ako ng Attraclear, yung mouthwash. And then, yung toothpaste ko, yung gamit ko.
Sila Kyle and...
Yeah, all of us set kasi siyempre locking kami. So, I give out yung
Beauty Derm products.
ano masasabi mo about, of course, Kyle and saka si Gray?
Yung dalawang yun, force, you know, ang sarap nilang kaisena because binibigay talaga nila yung best nila. Bago yung attitude, yung willingness to learn and to think out of the box and just listen and just be open. Kaya I guess nag-enjoy kami sa process namin because everyone was just really excited to bring in their A game and at the same time to perform at the best of their abilities. And I've seen how Kyle and Gray have grown, you know, just by watching them from the time that we started. After 6 months, nakita ko talaga, you know, how they evolved and how they transformed into their characters. Nakakabilib talaga, nakakabilib.
Do you see your younger self in them?
I see myself in Inigo. Whenever I see him, I see myself so much in him and all his mannerisms, although how he is, nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko. Sa kay Gray, nakikita ko yung sarili ko pag may mga angulo rin, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos si Kyle masyado mestizo tsaka matangkad para sa akin. So siguro nagmana sa nanay.
Pareho kayo may ni Johnny Gray, di ba?
Kaya nakakatuwa kasi kami ni Maylin sa bahay talagang grabe yung mga eksena namin, tatlong pamilya. So talaga para kami pamilya lagi nagsasalpukan. So,
Lalo na yung revelation na, di ba?
Last question na raw sabi ni Miss Mia.
Ay, okay.
May entry ka ba sa Manila Film Festival?
I'm down. I think magdadabing na lang ako kasi we're done. We're almost done shooting. Yeah, The Kingdom with Bossing Dick
Bossing
Soto.
Dick.
Yeah, with APT, Media Quest, and MZ. So it's gonna be a visual treat para sa mga manonood kasi talagang first time nag-drama si Bossing. And it's an epic drama and maganda yung production value. So I'm really excited for December 25. Kasi hindi lang naman ito yung pelikula, we're also celebrating the 15 years of MMFF. So we're all excited and really grateful na nakasama pa rin ako sa celebration.
Nag-comedy ka rin dyan?
Ayun.
It's a drama. It's an epic drama. It's an epic drama. Something new that you haven't seen Bossing Dick Soto did ever.
Last na lang po.
Yeah.
How's it working with Boss Dick?
Siyempre nang una, nakaka-intimidate because pinapanood mo lang yan eh. Kung kaya akong Big Soto fan, lahat ng mga pelikula sa Film Fest pinapanood ko eh. Siyempre nanginginig ako, nauutal ako nung una, pero kailangan mong panindigan eh. Pero siyempre may fan mentality ka pa rin kasi Big Soto yan eh. So nakakatuwa lang because parang I was telling my mom, ito mami, grabe kay eksena ko si Bossing, nakakataba ng puso, umabot ka sa punto na yun, you get to act alongside an icon. And marami din ako natututunan in terms of discipline and how he is with people. So, pangarap yun sa akin, pangarap talaga.
For this question, anong asahan namin sa bagong pictorial po? It's a beauty derm, may billboard ba?
Of course, I think Miss Rhea naman, spends so much on
Billboard.
mga collaterals and billboard.
niya for 5 years.
Correct. Yeah, so something new naman. May bigote naman ako ngayon, parang iba. Pero every year, nag-iiba-iba naman. Yeah.
Ipapatayo na daw agad bukas.
Naka-approve na.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Papa P.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.